Hello, my name's Fiona and welcome back to Crafted by Rose. Today I have another unboxing for you all. Today's unboxing comes to us from Diamond Art Club. Today's kit, as we can tell by the blue stripe on the side, is a square diamond painting. This one is one of the new releases, not from last weekend but the weekend before. So here we have, just trying to get that the right angle. There we go. So we have Midnight by Deborah Malcolm. It is a square diamond painting, as I've said. It is 84 centimeters by 51 centimeters, and that's 33 inches by 20 inches. So let's get into this kit. So first off, we have our square toolkit. In the square toolkit, you get your drill pen, the 4-placer, your squishy, 2 plates of heart-shaped wax, your clear drill tray, spare baggies, and because it's a square kit, you get your tweezers as well. So that is your toolkit. Then we have this small sticker that you get in. There we go. We have the small sticker that you get in their kits that they suggest on the sticker that you can use in your logbook. Personally, I don't have a logbook, so what I do with mine is I put mine on my box because I'm limited on storage space. I stack mine. I stack them this way, so I put my label on the end like that. That's what I do with mine. Then we have our schematic sheet. Here we have it for Midnight by Deborah Malcolm. You have the ability to put in your start date and end date, which is a new addition to their schematic sheets. You have a larger copy of the image you're about to paint. Then you have the diamond shape listed here. There's your size of your painting, and then it's SKU, which is for the company's identification purposes. Then you have the list of colours that you have in your kit. In Midnight, we have 44 colours. 4 of those are ABs, so we can have some bling in this painting. The upside to these new schematic sheets from Diamond Art Club is they've now perforated all of these individually, so you don't have to spend time cutting these up when you're kitting up. It saves you time. So that is one good thing with that. I just wish the stickiness of them was a bit stronger. I have had some issues with them peeling, but just stick a bit of clear tape on, it hasn't been a problem. So that's our schematic. Now let's get into the canvas itself. So let's get into this canvas. So I bring you up a bit and zoom out. So I am filming these unboxings in a new place, so hopefully we'll be able to see a bit more of the painting. So there is Midnight by Deborah Malcolm. It's just in my perfect colour palette with the purples and blues. To be honest, it was the colour palette that first drew me to this kit. So now we've had a look at the canvas from afar, let's get down into the drill field, see what that's looking like. So zoom in a bit. Focus, come on, be good to focus. So there we have our drill field. I'm not seeing any problems. There we go. Yep, it looks to be okay. So no problems there. Now let's look at the drills. So this does have quite a few drills. I'm just going to bag them now. I'm not going to do it on camera because the crinkling tends to bother me. I don't know if it bothers you. So let's get into these drills. Let's just start with the first strip. Right, so we have a small bag of 415. Our first AB of the kit. I thought that was an AB though. No, it's just really sparkly. So that's 3846. This is our first AB of the kit. So this is 101. AB stands for Aurora Borealis. That's an iridescent coating that's applied to the drills to make them sparkle a bit brighter. Then we have a bag of 310, 340, 803, 158. We have 2 bags of 158. I'm going to twist this. Yeah, so there's our 2 bags of 158. We have 2 bags of 336. Bag of 775. 2 bags of 792. 3325, which is your light blue. And then 2 bags of 797. That's that strip done. Start with the next one. So we have 798. We have 2 bags of our 798. 799. My favourite purple, 550. You've got 3807. We've got 3 bags of 939, which is your dark navy. Then we have 2 bags of 995. That's 2 bags. Then we have 2 bags of 820. We've got 2 bags of 823. Got 3843. We've got 2 bags of 796. No, we've got 3 bags, not 2. Then we have our second AB of this kit, which is 138. That's the end of that strip. Now onto the final strip for this canvas. So we have our second AB, which is our 141, so a little bit of off-white. We've got 3860, 3837, 318, 3760, 414, 779, 3845, 3834, a dark grey, 317, dark brown, 3371. We have 3766. We've got a bag of 333, bag of 155, 3841, 210, 413, 3799, 3746, and then we have our last AB, which is 126. So that is the drills for Midnight by Deborah Malcolm. So I hope you've all enjoyed today's unboxing. I've enjoyed unboxing this with you, and it's a painting that I'm looking forward to doing in the future. If you've enjoyed today's video, then please do give it a like. If you would like to see more content like this and you're not already subscribed, then please do consider subscribing. With that said, I have enjoyed this time with you today. and I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Bye for now.